In this video, I will show you how to download and install WinRAR on your Windows 11 computer. So first of all, open any browser and then search here WinRAR. Visit WinRAR official website, which is win-rar.com. I will put this link in the description box. Now click on download WinRAR at the right side. Now again click on download WinRAR. The download will be automatically start. Wait for download file. Once download done, click on show in folder. Here is downloaded WinRAR exe file. Now to install WinRAR on your computer, just double click on the file. Now Windows will ask you permission to install the software. Click on yes. Now click on install. I will keep this setting default. Then click on OK. Click on done. Now I will show you how to use WinRAR. To compress this folder using WinRAR, right click on that. Here as you see WinRAR option, just hover over the WinRAR. Now click on add to archive. Now select the format. I will create a zip file. Then click on OK. Here as you see, here is my zip file by created WinRAR. In this way, you can download and install WinRAR on your Windows 11 laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorial. See you in the next video.